Embark on a journey of tech wonders with access allowed. Subscribe now for exclusive content, in-depth reviews, and stay ahead in the world of gadgets. Hit that subscribe button and join the Access Allowed community today. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a premium construction featuring a Corning-made glass front and back, complemented by a robust titanium frame grade 5. On the flip side, the Samsung S23 Ultra showcases a sleek design with a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 front and back, elegantly framed by durable aluminum. Each device a masterpiece of modern engineering. The iPhone 15 Pro Max gracefully weighs in at 221 grams, while the Samsung S23 Ultra asserts its presence with a slightly heavier 234 grams, offering a tangible distinction in their handheld experience. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts IP68 dust water resistance, diving up to 6 m for 30 minutes. In comparison, the Samsung S23 Ultra matches with IP68, resilient in depths up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Both offer robust protection, with the iPhone taking a deeper plunge. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's LTPO Super Retina XD OLED display dazzles with a 120 Hz refresh rate, 813 Dolby Vision, and an impressive brightness range from 1000 nits to 2000 nits. Meanwhile, the Samsung S23 Ultra boasts a vibrant dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a matching 120Hz refresh rate, HDNA, and a peak brightness of 1750 nits. Two flagships, each offering a visual spectacle in their own right. The iPhone 15 Pro Max sports a 6.7-inch display with a resolution of 1290 x 2796 pixels, 19.59 ratio, 460 pi density, shielded by ceramic shield glass. In comparison, the Samsung S23 Ultra flaunts a slightly larger 6.8-inch screen, boasting a higher resolution of 1440 x 3088 pixels, 19.39 ratio 500 pi density, safeguarded by the durable Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The iPhone 15 Pro Max operates on iOS 17, upgradable to iOS 17.1, powered by the cutting-edge Apple A17 Pro 3 NNUN chipset. Meanwhile, the Samsung S23 Ultra runs on Android 13, upgradable to Android 14, featuring the Qualcomm Smite 1550AC Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 FE-FET. Two giants, each equipped with their latest software iterations and formidable processing power. No memory card slots, iPhone 15 Pro Max and Samsung S23 Ultra prioritize internal storage excellence. The iPhone 15 Pro Max offers potent internal storage variants: 256 GB plus 8 GB, 512 GB DWH 8 GB, and 1 TB DWH 8 GB. Similarly, the Samsung S23 Ultra echoes with 256 GB, 8 GB, 256 GB, 212 GB, 512 GB, 12 GB, and 1 TB and 12 GB. The iPhone 15 Pro Max captures with precision using a 48-megapixel AF1, 824mm wide lens featuring dual-pixel PDAF, sensor shift OIS, and a substantial 1/1, 28 inches sensor size. Meanwhile, the Samsung S23 Ultra boasts an impressive 200-megapixel f1, 7/24mm wide lens with multi-directional PDAF, laser AF, and OIS, displaying groundbreaking photographic capabilities. The iPhone 15 Pro Max showcases a versatile camera setup, including a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3D sensor shift OIS, 5x optical zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a TOF 3D LiDAR scanner for depth perception. In contrast, the Samsung S23 Ultra features a periscope telephoto lens at 10 megapixels with 10x optical zoom, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with super steady video capabilities, providing an extensive range of photographic possibilities. The iPhone 15 Pro Max records in impressive 4K at 24, 25, 30, 60 fps, 1080p at 25, 30, 60,120, 240 fps, supports 10-bit HDR, Dolby Vision HDR, up to 60 fps, ProRes Cinematic Mode, 4K at 24-30 fps, and 3D spatial video with stereo sound recording. In contrast, the Samsung S23 Ultra captures video in 8K at 24, 30 fps, 4K at 30 and 60 fps, 1080p at 30, 60, 240 fps, and 1080p at 960 fps, embracing HDR10+ and gyro EIS for steady and high-quality recording. iPhone 15 Pro Max selfie camera, 12MP f1, 9, 23mm PDAF OIS. Samsung S23 Ultra, 12MP f2, 2, 26mm dual-pixel PDAF, supporting 4K at 24, 25, 30, 60 fps, 1080p at 25, 30, 60, 120 fps, gyro EIS. The iPhone 15 Pro Max packs a non-removable Li-ion 4441 mAh battery, while the Samsung S23 Ultra boasts a larger 5000 mAh battery. Charging options for the iPhone include wired PD2, 0, 50% in 30 minutes, 15-watt MagSafe, 7, 5-watt key, and 4, 5-watt reverse wired. In comparison, the Samsung S23 Ultra supports 45-watt wired PD3, 0, 65% in 30 minutes, 15-watt wireless key PMA, and 4, 5-watt reverse wireless charging. Both devices feature stereo speakers for rich audio experiences, but exclude the 3.5mm audio jack, highlighting a commitment to modern wireless audio solutions. Scoring the devices involves weighing priorities. The iPhone 15 Pro Max shines in display and ecosystem, while the Samsung S23 Ultra impresses with a larger battery and versatile camera. Personal preference determines the winner, whether favoring Apple's ecosystem or Samsung's camera and battery prowess.